Okay, so here's a problem named as remove linked list elements, and we are given a linked list and an element which should be removed in the returned linked list. So we can simply code here. I'm creating a current node, list node, current node equals to new list node, and I'm creating a head that will be pointing to the current node. List node head equals to uh, current node. Okay. So we are just creating a current node that will be our resulted linked list, and we are creating a head that will store the address of the starting of the current node. So we can simply remove the head and replace it with the L1, like, and move the value as X. It's just for simplification. You can do on your own. And we are putting a condition like we are creating a while loop while L1 is not equals to null, and if L1 dot value equals to X, we just iterate over the L1. We do not want to store its value. So L1 equals to L1 dot next. We just iterate over to the next value. And if it's fails means L1 dot val equals to not equals to X, then what we are going to do is current next equals to L1, and L1 equals to L1 dot next, and current node equals to current node dot next. And we can also use current node dot next equals to null. So what we are doing here is simply we are iterating over the L1 value, and if L1 dot value equals to X, so we do not want to store it. We just iterate over the next value of the L1 linked list. And if its condition fails, means L1 dot value is not equals to X, then we come into the else condition, and here current node dot next is equals to L1 means the value of the L1 also stores, and we iterate over the next value means the value of the L1 is stored in the current node, and we are iterating over to the next value of the L1, and we are doing the same thing with the current node also, means current node equals to current node dot next. And here I'm just putting current node dot next equals to null. Just simply as I'm just simplifying it, like I don't want to store a garbage value, means if I'm not putting equals to null, maybe some error can occur because it can create some uh, exception that will store the element that we want to remove in it. So I will show it on the running condition. Let me run it. I'm just returning current node. Oh, no. If I'm returning current node dot next, it will give null because we are iterating over the current last value. So we are returning head dot next. So if I run it, so list cannot find symbol current node. Okay, okay, we misspelled it. Current node. It should give no error now. Okay, error missing return statement. I think I use one more. Okay. Okay, just remove it and let run it again. Please add the file. Let me look into it again. We are putting return statement in while loop, and we don't need to do that. We are not supposed to do that actually. So we need to put the return statement here because the loop itself and in here, and the return statement is in the right position now. It should be running condition now. Let's see. So it is accepted. So in the previous if I look into in head.next, what I was trying to say, if first condition, if I'm not returning head.next, so it will take one more value. Let's run it. Okay, so here 0 is also coming, and 0 value is the head value that is pointing to the current node, means current node is starting from the next, means we are doing current dot next equal to L1, but the initial position, the initial value of the current node will be 0, and we are referencing it by the head. So if the head dot next is not returned, if head is returned in place of head dot next, it will also take the 0 value. So we need to return head dot next so that it doesn't take the 0 value here. And the second thing I was saying, that current node dot next equals to null. So here an exception can be occur, that it will give some error result or wrong result. So here what we are getting is 1 2 3. Actually I just uh, changed the input, I think. 1 2 3 6 3 4 5 6. Okay, so I'm just putting 5 here. So what I was trying to say here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 is also coming. So that's why I uh, just want to write it like current node dot next equal to null, so that the 6 value doesn't come, because I'm putting the null condition. I'm putting the null value after every iteration, where I'm taking the L1 value and L1 dot next, current node dot next, and current node dot next equals to null, so that the value, so the garbage value or the wrong value cannot be referenced. So if I run it now, so it is accepted. Okay, let me submit it. Okay, so the status is accepted.